morning, outdoors people. It's raining, but yet we're gonna go kayaking. Yes! Yak, yak, yak. Here comes our fearless leader now. Put one truck at the Cumberland Falls State Resort Park, the other truck here at Red Bird Ramp. Me and the boys going out on a 17-mile adventure in the rain. Ryan's already ponchoed up. I need to waterproof my stuff and maybe myself. Smiles to begin with. We'll see what it's like about 7-8 hours later, 17 miles later in the rain.
Becky in the background, Ryan over here to the left. Becky's on the right, she's gonna get beached again. I made it through where Ryan's at, he should be okay. We'll see. Gets tricky right here. Once I started going, I made it through. Comes Becky just getting it. I went straight through it. Good job. Ryan took a breather waiting on you. How was that? After I got stuck the one time, I stayed over to this side and did pretty good. Where's it at?
Well, you had to go get it.
Oh.
It was just dangling in the water.
So far, so good, yeah? 4.69. Ryan doing the shoals backwards. Not sure that's advisable, but just trying to make it through. I had to get out and walk. Becky's beached up there. Ryan's the lighter of the three of us. I did good. I got right up here and then beached it. There he goes. We are next to the summer shoal retreat, where that is. It's my camera time. Anyway, I'll try to get through here and filter some water, make some lunch. Good job, baby. Next set of rapids. Stop for lunch. We'll try to catch Becky. Beached here on this rock next to these shoals. Not sure which set it is. We're 12.25 miles in from the Redbird ramp now. See for the trees. Come on! Stroke it! Over here! Becky's coming in backwards. We've outlost her. Just finished now lunch here on the riverbank. Mine's already gone. I had beef stroganoff with noodles. It was yummy. Becky's having Pretty Wise, the cheesy potato soup.
And it is good. It's got a very good flavor to it.
And Ryan's having sweet potato chicken and rice.
Which is not really got a lot of flavor to it.
It'll be warm in your belly.
Doesn't have flavor to it. But you might want to add some salt to that. But you're
Get your impression of the sweet potato rice.
Tastes like potato.
Well, that must be right.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Sweet potato.
This is where we beached. Put in at the Red Road Camp, whatever it's called. What is it?
Redbird boat.
Redbird Road boat ramp. It's on Redbird Road. And 12.35 miles so far. 17 miles to the falls. So, half a mile. Ryan built an arch in the water. Ryan just took a spill. You're gonna need your kayak. Here, see if there's a trees cave up there. We have to check out on the next trip. When the bears aren't active. The camp we're staying at told us not to even leave a cooler outside of our camper. They've had a lot of bear activity down here. So probably not gonna go in the caves right now. Just good. There's a cave right